Hi everyone, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My subject name is Indian Economic. My topic name is Land Development Bank. Meaning of Land Development Bank. The Land Development Bank are organized three tiers, namely state, central and primary level, and they meet the long-term credit requirement of the farmers for development purpose. The State Land Development Bank oversees the primary land development bank situated in the district and tehsil area in the state. There are government both by the state government and Reserve Bank of India. Recently, the supervision of Land Development Bank has been assumed by National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. The source of funds for this bank are the debentures subscribed by both central and state government. These banks do not accept deposit for the general public function to make improve on the land, to repay old debts, the free mortgage land to buy new land. Management. The LDB are registered under the Cooperative Society Act. It is managed by board of directors consisting of 15 to 20 members. Shortcoming. Several drafts have been noticed on the operational sites of the LDP. They charge very high rate of interest on account of rabbit tapism. There are usually delay up to more than a year in guaranteeing loan. They give loan only up to 50% of the value of the land mortgage. Thus a very high margin is kept. They adopted complicated procedure which unlimited force the literate farmer to resort to money lender to meet the function requirement. Quite often, loan or guarantee to discharge peer debt rather than land improvement structure. Structure into two types. Primary land development, state land development bank. Primary development bank. This bank were organized to cover one or few taluka in the district. All and over are eligible and borrow fund by managing their land. State land development bank. In some state there is only state development bank at the state level operating through its branch and its sub-branch and district funds. The share capital contribute by borrowing non-borrowing members. Deposit from the public issuing debenture. Regional Development Bank. The work group of Regional Development Bank 1975 recommended the establishment of Regional Rural Development Bank to supplement the effect of the commercial bank, cooperative bank, exchanging credit to weaker section of the rural community. Meaning, its intention in having this new bank was that the should in the Indian context to an individual device which complement the local feel familiarly with rural problem with cooperative forces or the degree of business organization structure. The regional rural bank aimed at provide credit and other facilities to the small and managing farmer, agricultural labor, artisan and small entrepreneur in rural area. The Reserve Bank of India is very important for the Regional Rural Development Act 1986 empower the central government to establish in the state or union territory one or more regional rural development bank when sponsored banks such as recused to sponsored bank assistant research development bank may by subscribing it to share capital by helping in its established by assistance recruitment and training of its code and general providing such managerial and financial assistance by the RRB. Organization of the Regional Rural Bank. The authorized capital of a regional rural development is fixed at rupee 1 crore and its issued capital 2 lakh. Of the issue capital, 50% is to be subscribed by the central government, 50% by the concerned state government, and the rest 35% by the sponsoring bank management. RBI Act has various provisions regarding incorporation, regulation and working of RRB. According to this Act, the RRB are to be set up mainly with view to development economically by providing credit facility for the purpose development of agriculture, trade, commerce, industry and other cooperative activities in the rural area. The objectives of Regional Rural Bank to provide cheap and liberal credit facility to small and managerial farmer, agriculture, labor, artisan, small entrepreneur and other weaker sections to save the regional poor from the money lender. The act as a catalyst element and thereby accelerate the economic growth in the particular region. The cultivated the bank habit among the rural people and mobilized saving for the economic development of the rural area. The increasing employment opportunity by encouraging trade and commercial in rural area, to encourage entrepreneurship in rural area, to development and development religion and thereby strive to remove economic disparity between religion. Functions of RRB: accepting deposit, mobilize rural saving and deposit, to supply credit to rural area, to generate employee opportunity in rural area, to provide refinance facility, RRB grant loan and advantage to small farmer agricultural observe so that they some start their own farming activities including purchase of land, seed and manure. RRB provide banking service at the doorstep of the rural people, particularly in this area which are not served by any commercial bank. The RRB charge a lower rate of interest and thus they reduce the cost of credit in the rural area. Loan to artisans to encourage them for the production of artisan and relating goods, encourage the saving habit among the rural and semi-urban population. Thank you.